NDI desktop capture, and then local desktop capture. And then let's go to Zoom meetings 2. Okay, see, as you can see, we already captured the video from our Zoom. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to capture the Zoom video into the vMix. Okay, now first let's open our vMix, and then let's going to open our Zoom. As you can see in my Zoom, I already log in with my Zoom. Next, we're going to open new meeting. Okay, so I already have feed a video in my Zoom. Now, what we're going to do is to capture this video into our vMix. First, I'm going to minimize this one. Okay. Now, let's add input, and then in the capture, click this one, then click local desktop capture, and then Zoom meetings. Press OK. Okay, now see, as you can see, there it is only blank in our video, but here in our Zoom there is a video running on it. But here in our vMix, it is just only blank. It's nothing to show. So now I'm going to teach you how to capture this one into this in our vMix. First, we're just going to close this one first. Okay, now first we're going to click this arrow up icon. Okay, click this one, then go to video settings. Okay, and then go to advanced. You should be in the video, and then go to advanced. Click this one, and then as you can see, video rendering method. Okay, click this one, and then you change it from auto to GDI. Click this one. So there is a pop-up. Changes will take effect after you restart Zoom. So we should restart our Zoom. Close this pop-up window, and then exit with our Zoom. So close this one, and then we're going to close everything here. Close also this system tray icon. Exit. Now it's going to open again our Zoom. Okay. This is our Zoom, and we're going to log in again. Enter. Oh, now we're now in our Zoom, and then we're going to create new meeting again. Okay, so this is now our Zoom with a video in it. After we change the rendering method from automatic into GDI. Okay, now we're going to go to our vMix, and we're going to try to capture the video of our Zoom. Okay, again, let's go to add input, then NDI desktop capture, and then local desktop capture, and then let's go to Zoom meetings 2. Okay, see, as you can see, we already captured the video from our Zoom. Okay, let's try to participants. So everything was captured, including the participants and the chat board. Okay, see, so we successfully capture the video in our Zoom into our vMix. So if you learned something, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.